Hey, welcome back to Custom Clear Images Paint Studio, where I found this at the dollar store, and it had a top rack to it. I knocked it out, and it's pretty good, sturdy little thing for the back door. I'm going to use it for all these very vintage, in good shape van mags. I came across. So yeah. So basically, they will be a good magazine holder. Put this on the back door. And yeah, here's a couple other goodies. I've also just got to finish this little cut. That's for the cell phone. These two holes will hold up to a 1 liter pop bottle. But I cut out and made up my cup holder. MDF board, so I can't stain it. I can paint it. I don't want to leave it painted, so I'm going to totally go full custom on this. And that brings me over to this. Custom flares, van flares. Well, let me just show you something. Let's see what's behind this door. There you go. Old vintage van Fender flares. I've had these since 1998. Even back then they were called new old stock. As you can see, they're not drilled. They're absolutely brand new. New old stock. There's the front air dam just sitting there. There's a couple more flares here. These have been used. All these three have been used. They've been drilled and stuff. Do have these for sale. If you want them, let me know. If you live in the lower Vancouver, the lower mainland Vancouver area, they're for sale. So, yeah, I'm really wanting to put these Fender flares on. If the weather gets a little warmer, I'm going to put them on. So, yeah, and hold on. As for the airbrushing, everybody's asking me and telling me I should market and come up, just market myself. So I've done a little sketch, and I'm thinking about airbrushing the van. Just going all out. Everything I can do and show my talent stuff. That's just one panel right there on the van I've sketched out. This is another panel I thought about. So, if you want me to, think it's a great idea for me to airbrush the van and get my talent up and seen, let me know. Comment, subscribe, like. Just give me a voice, what you think. So, from this new Boogie van build, this is the update. So, and for other panels on the van, let me know what else I should put in. Comment. Like, what would you like to see airbrushed? Let me know. Thank you.